Hello guys, it's Goody here. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Goodness. I share sewing tutorials. So today guys, we are going to be learning how to draft out a 90 degrees circle skirt, a 180 degrees circle skirt, and a 360 degrees circle skirt, okay? So guys, I took my time to really explain this tutorial very well so that if you've been having issues on how to go about the folding or the measurements, this tutorial would help you to really understand. So stick to the end of this tutorial and I'm very sure you're going to learn loads of things. Okay, let's get into this tutorial now. So guys, the two things to take note of is your waist round and your skirt length, okay? So I am working with my body form and you can see I'm taking the waist round measurement and what I have is 28 inches. And how long I want this skirt to be is 12 inches, okay? So please take your own measurements. So guys, for 90 degrees circle skirt, the waist I'm working with is 28 and the skirt length I'm working with is 12, okay? So whatever it is that you have for your waist round, you are going to divide by 1.5 and then add your zip allowance. So my waist round is 28 inches divided by 1.5. What I have is 18. 18 plus my zip allowance. My zip allowance is 1 inch. What I have is 19. Then for my fabric length, I am going to add this 19 to my skirt length, which is 12. So 19 plus 12, 31. For my waist length, what I have is 19. And for my fabric length, what I have is 31. Now, guys, you want to go ahead and measure, the length of your fabric to make sure that it's up to your fabric length in calculation, okay? So you can see I have up to 31 there. And also you want to take these measurements for all sides, okay? So I've measured for this side and for this side as well. I'm going to as well go ahead and measure it, okay? Then how to fold this is just to take from one point of the square to the opposite point of the square, okay? Just to form a triangle. You can see this looks like a triangle. It's just how to fold this, and you fold this just once because this is just a 90 degrees circle, okay? Now, guys, this open part that we have here is the zipper area, and then this closed up edge on the opposite side is the center front area, okay? And we're going to be taking our measurement from the pointed edge upwards here. So you can see where that arrow is pointing at. We're going to be taking our measurement from there. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to take out your fabric length measurement. And I'm working with 31. So I'm going to make sure that my tape rule is placed on that pointed edge as I move my tape rule around at the hem area. And I'm taking 31 inches round, okay? You can see from that zipper area back to the center front area, I am marking 31 inches round. The next thing you want to do is to place your tape rule on that pointed edge again and then take your waist round. So for our waist length, what we got was 19 inches, remember? So I am placing my tape rule on that pointed edge and I'm going to mark 19 inches round, okay? And as you're going round, you want to make sure that your tape rule is still on that pointed edge. Do not move it away from that pointed edge as you mark your waist length round. So you will see that when you are done with marking this your waist length round and you open it up, it is going to be exactly your waist round plus your zip allowance, okay? Now I am done. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and add my allowance for my band. And also please go ahead and add your hemming allowance. You can see I'm working with just a very little fabric. I don't have enough to add for my hemming allowance. So when you are folding this, you want to, make sure that you have excess down there, for your hemming allowance, okay? So I'm going to make do with what I have. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. And also at the top part, I already went ahead to add 0.5 inches for the band allowance. And you can see what our skirt is looking like. So you can see what the 90 degrees circle skirt or flay is looking like. Now this open part here is where you're going to fix in your zipper, okay? 22. Now, guys, the way to fold for your 180 is just take note of the longer part of your fabric and then fold it into two, and that is all. Take note of the longer part of your fabric and fold it into two. That is all. And then when you are done with folding into two like this, you want to go ahead and measure from that closed part up here. I am going to measure to the hem and make sure that my fabric or the length of this fabric is up to my fabric length in calculation. I remember what we got in calculation was 22. Okay, so I have up to 22 there. Then some people can as well go ahead and fold again like this in form of a triangle. It is still the same thing. The reason it is being folded like this sometimes is because maybe the material is too wide and you're trying to make it smaller to cut everything out at the same time. Okay, so whether you fold this once or you fold and then fold again in a triangle, it is still the same thing. You're just trying to cut everything out at the same time. But for the beginners in class, please just take note of folding the longer part of your fabric into two, and then you measure to make sure that it is up to that fabric length we got in calculation. And then keeping your tape rule on that pointed edge, you're going to take that your fabric length round. You can see how I am doing this. So I am taking my fabric length round, and then when I am done, I am going to now take my waist length round. And also, please make sure to have enough fabric so that you can add your hemming allowance, okay? Now, for my waist, what I got was 10 inches, so I'm going to also take 10 inches round. Then I'm going to go ahead and just add 0.5 inches for my band allowance, okay? Then if you have enough, or you should have enough down there to add for your hemming allowance. So I'm going ahead to cut this out, okay? Sorry, my camera wasn't recording this. I just cut it out on those places that I just marked. And yeah, this is your 180 degrees circle skirt. So the 180 degree circle skirt is half of a circle. So you can see the way I just laid it out now, it is like it is half of a circle actually. So that's why it is called 180 degrees, circle skirt. And this particular one is a bit more fuller than the 90 degrees. You would notice that it's a bit more fuller than the 90 degrees. Okay. Now the open part is where you are going to be adding your zipper. All right. For 360 degrees circle skirt, my waist round I'm working with is 28 and the skirt length I'm working with is 12. Now, whatever it is that you have for your waist round, you are going to divide by 6 and add your zip allowance. My waist round is 28 divided by 6, what I have is 4. 4 plus my 1 inch zip allowance, what I have is 5. For my fabric length, I'm going to add 5 to my skirt length, which is 12. So 5 plus 12, 17. Now for my waist length, what I have is 5, and for my fabric length, what I have is 17. Now guys, the way to fold this is to fold your fabric into two for the first time. Okay, we're going to be folding this 2 times. So for the first time, just fold your fabric into 2. You can see my fabric right now, I just folded it into 2. So just look carefully at what I am doing on the screen. And then when you are done with folding it into 2 like this, you are going to fold it again for the second time. And you're going to fold it from the up to meet the down parts. Okay? So now I'm going to pick it from this up part to meet the down part, and that is the second folding. Okay, so for the first one, I folded from one side to meet the opposite side, and for the second folding, I folded from up to meet the down part. Okay, just so fold going to one direction for the first time, and then fold going to the opposite direction for the second time. All right. So guys, you can say we have 2 closed ends. This side and this side, they are both closed. And then the down part is going to be the hem area. Okay. So when we are done with cutting this out, all sides are going to be closed. Okay. Now I am going to place my tape rule on this pointed edge, and I'm going to take my fabric length round. And what I got for my fabric length is 17 inches. So I'm going to mark that round. I am going to mark that round. So whatever it is you have for your fabric length, you are going to place your tape rule on that pointed edge. Make sure that it is there while you take your fabric length round. Then when I'm done with this, next thing I'm going to do is to place my tape rule on the pointed edge again, and then take for my waist round, okay? And what I have for my waist is 5 inches. So you can see, making sure that my tape rule is on that pointed edge, I took 5 inches round. And then you want to go ahead and add 0.5 inches for your band allowance, and also add like maybe 1 inch for your hemming allowance, okay? And then when I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and cut this out. So guys, when we go ahead and open this up, you would see that all sides are closed. This is a full circle. So can you see? Can you see how beautiful this looks? This is a full circle and all sides are closed. Can you see? I always wish that we don't have to open any side, but guys, you have to open it so that you'll be able to, attach your zipper and be able to put this on, okay? So you want to fold it again into two like this, and then open up one side for your zipper. Now take note that these skirts lengths are very, very small because I'm just using this for illustration, and this is for a mannequin. If you are doing yours, you want to use your full skirt length, of course, and you would get the same results as well. Okay. And then also, if I'm making something like a peplum top, you can use this method as well for your flay, for your peplum flay. Okay. Now you can see what the 360 degrees circle skirt looks like. This is more fuller than the 90 degrees and the 180 degrees as well. So guys, by now I hope you've learned how to draft out your 90 degrees, your 180 degrees, and your 360 degrees circle skirt or flay skirts. All right, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. It could be helpful to someone out there. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.